Vanakkam, I am Vino Rayen, your online Tamil history and language tutor. Today we are going to explore the heart of the Tamil language by learning words that build deep human connections. Whether you are learning for travel, family, or personal growth, these words will open doors. Let us begin our journey together. Our first word is the most famous, Vanakkam. It is much more than just a simple hello. In our heritage, Vanakkam means I respect the divinity within you. You say it with your hands brought together near your heart. Practice saying it clearly with me. Vanakkam, a perfect start to any conversation. To show appreciation, we say thanks. We use the word nandri, which means thank you. If a native speaker helps you on your travels or in business, telling them mikha nandri, which means thank you very much, shows immense respect for our culture. Let the tongue vibrate gently on the re sound nandri. Every language learner needs to say clearly say yes and no. In Tamil, yes is amam. In casual talk, you might hear it shortened to ama. No or not available is illai. Notice the smooth melodic flow of these words. Mastering amam and illai will instantly make you feel confident during daily interaction. Politeness is an administrative virtue and a cultural treasure. To say please when asking for directions or ordering food, we say தயவு செய்து. Let us break it down. தயவு செய்து. Using this simple word before a request shows your genuine sincerity and respect as a language student. To ask someone how they are doing in a respectful way, say நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள். This formal structure is perfect for speaking to elders, professionals, or clients. For a friend or peer, you can simply ask, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? It instantly brings a warm smile to a Tamil speaker's face. When you speak to native speakers, proudly tell them your goal. நான் தமிழ் கற்கிறேன். This means I am learning Tamil. People will love your dedication and happily help you practice. Notice the special hard ra in Kakkiren. It gives a sentence its classical, authentic strength. Learning a language is wonderful, but learning it alongside its rich history is a complete education. In my online classroom, we don't just memorize phrases, we look into the rich history, the classical roots, and the maritime legacy of every word, ensuring you speak with true confidence and scholarly understanding. Are you ready to climb your virtual seat? Book a personalized trial lesson with me on Preply today using the link in the description. If these video resources bless your educational journey, feel free to scan the QR code on your screen to support our mission. Thank you and